Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to know who subscribed to you on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is go to your YouTube studio. As you can see, I'm inside mine, studio.youtube.com. This is my channel. Now from here, make sure you're on your dashboard on the left hand side here. And now from here, you want to scroll down. And then where it says recent subscribers, last 90 days, go ahead and click on see all. And now from here, this is where you can see who subscribed to you on YouTube. But take note, this only includes users who have made their subscriptions public as well. And we can filter out by how many days. So if you want to do the last 7 days, you can see who subscribed, the last 28 days, the last 365 days or lifetime, which is cool. And now from here, you can see who was the last person to subscribe and the date subscribed as well. So we can filter this. So if I go ahead and do, say, last 28 days, I'll click on date subscribed. And now these are all the last people that have subscribed to my channel, filtered by their date.